What up, yo? All right, so currently I'm being blinded by the sun. The shit I do for you guys. But yeah. So a lot has happened since I did the last video, or this video, I suppose. But it just like cut off. It's been a while since I recorded the first half of this video. I'm currently, it is what, November the 26th. Yeah, currently it is Sunday, November 26th, and I am in Pacifica at a local state beach here. Forgot what it's called. I'll show you guys in a minute. But yeah, so I actually got some clips of, very few clips of my trip coming down here to Pacifica. I made a quick stop by Boondock Beach, I believe it's called. And here's a little compilation of this right here. Like right there, dude. What the fuck? This is scary. Apart from that, we didn't really make any other stops. It was just a quick 2-hour drive over here. And yeah, I stayed a few nights here at Pacifica, which is about 20 minutes away from San Francisco. And when it came to Thanksgiving, I drove down to San Francisco to visit some family and have, Thanksgiving. And I stayed there over the weekend until this morning. Actually, early in the morning, my parents headed back to LA. And I'm gonna start my vacation trip thingy again, which is not really a vacation because I still gotta work, right? But yeah, I'm just gonna continue my trip. Probably gonna stay in San Francisco a couple more days, maybe even a week, to get some money in my pocket, because there was some expenses, Thanksgiving, whatever. So yeah, we're gonna head on over to Golden Gate Park, then Chinatown, and we're gonna cross the Oakland Bridge onto Alameda. That's where we're gonna be staying for a couple of days, since there is no Walmart in San Francisco. We're gonna have to go to East Bay area, and we're gonna be staying at Alameda and doing deliveries in San Leandro. First stop is gonna be the restroom. Second stop, Dollar Tree, because I gotta get some body wash. Then we're going to Planet Fitness, take a shower, and finally, approximately around maybe 12 in the afternoon, hopefully earlier, we'll be at Golden Gate Park. We're gonna spend about maybe an hour or two there, just walk around. I'm gonna take you guys to see some bison, and hopefully we find some mushrooms. And right after that, we're going to Chinatown, just to walk around, mess around, see what's out there. Hopefully before the sun goes down, we're already in East Bay, and I'm probably gonna start doing some deliveries then. And then I'll be spending the night in Alameda. So yeah, just follow along and enjoy the video, I hope. So I think I'm gonna get some Taco Bell for breakfast, since I'm already here, might as well get a quick burrito. So yeah, let's go check it out. so I put on some shades because the sun's coming up and it's kind of right in my eyes. But anyway, picked up a breakfast and I'm about to munch for a little bit, and then we'll continue our trip after that. Big reveal time. Got some breakfast tacos, just like egg, cheese, and well, I got egg, cheese, and potato, and then another one's egg, cheese, and bacon. Just in case you was curious about it. There it is. You see, I eat, I take care of myself, and you know. Not bad. Not bad at all. I mean, for Taco Bell, this ain't bad at all. Alright, yo, so we just got out of the Planet Fitness. About to head to, where was it? A 7-Eleven, because I kind of ordered something on Amazon. So I'm about to go pick it up. But I don't think I'm going to show you guys because I don't have a lot of memory left. But we're heading to the Bison Paddock at Golden Gate Park. You know, so see you guys when I get there. So we've been actually looking for a little while. Came across a few species, but none. They weren't the type we're looking for now. Let me show you. So I came across these and I got excited, I'm not even gonna lie. But it's actually not the right kind. Even though it's a bit wavy, the one I'm looking for is a little bit darker on the cap. And the stem is too soft, too smooshy. I'm pretty sure those will kill you if you eat them. So, you know what they say. All mushrooms are edible, but some are only edible once. But, oh, this one's interesting looking. Look at that. But that's not the one we're looking for. I mean, it's a good thing to find a... Oh man, that thing's slimy. It's a good thing to find those mushrooms out here because they're relatively... They're like the same type of... Whatchamacallit? They're like the same type of environment. But nope. This place is full of these fake ones. Like I said, the ones I'm looking for, they're a little bit darker in color than this. Yeah, so we're gonna keep on looking. Alright, y'all, so I didn't find anything and I barely got any footage. Just took a little video of some like little mushrooms that I found that weren't the type I wanted. And I got a couple clips of some of the bison at the bison paddock. Other than that, today hasn't been very eventful. And I actually don't feel like going to Chinatown anymore because I kind of went yesterday. I actually got this Rasta hat there, which is funny because who gets the Rasta hat at Chinatown out of all places? But yeah, so that's not gonna be in this video. I've been there plenty of times, you know, like, and I went there yesterday and it was chill, but you know, I already went yesterday. It's like I just don't feel like going. I think I'm just gonna head down to Alameda now because it's already dark. You know, it's already dark. I was looking for those mushies for the longest and I'm tired. I haven't ate anything except like a slice of some tiramisu that my aunt gave me before I left. But yeah, other than that, I haven't ate anything. So I'm gonna go get some food and then I'm heading to Alameda I'm gonna try to get some orders in today because I haven't made any money all week. So, you know, I don't wanna be too broke next week. But hopefully I can pick up some orders out there in Oakland. And yeah, I'm gonna go get some food, go to Oakland, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Right, so I actually, you know, just a whole complete change of plans, you know. Well, actually not. I went to go get food. I'm at Safeway right now, which was like 3 minutes away from the park. And yeah, I just picked up some quick food just so I could like think better and stuff because I'm just not feeling it today, not feeling this whole video, not feeling this whole day. I feel like I wasted it. But anyways, all thoughts aside, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna be doing tonight. I might even go back to Pacifica if I'm being quite honest. But we'll see. Because a part of me does want to go to Alameda or Oakland to make some money before, you know, the end of the week, which is today, before tonight. But anyways, enough of that. I'm gonna show you what I got. I'm gonna show you guys what I got to eat. So real quick taste test, you know what I'm saying? Let's go see what this tastes like. First the seafood, because you know that thing can be getting hot. Cold or else you're gonna end up sick. I'm not down. Delicious, I can't even lie. Even knowing that, you know, shrimp are pretty much like insects of the ocean. Delicious. Young chicken wing. Check that chicken wing out, yo. It's nice and crispy, and it's got some sauce from the shrimp salad, the seafood market seafood salad. Anyways, buffalo wild wing. I mean, buffalo wing. Let's go. I mean, it's alright. It tastes like chicken, but I don't really taste the buffalo or any salt or anything really. But it is what it is. It's still pretty good though. It's still pretty good. Kind of healthy, I suppose. And then a potato wedge, man. Check out this crispy potato. Let's go. That's the good stuff right there. This potato got cooked to perfection, yo. Then lastly and not least, some Arizona, baby. Is that Arizona power? Love me all the cheap stuff, you know? Tasty. I'm gonna watch some TV now. Talk to you guys later. So I kind of sort of fell asleep at the Planet Fitness. It's pretty cold out here, man. Got some fellow car dwellers around. Pretty sure that's what's going on here because there's nobody at the gym. There's another one over there. One here. Another one here. Prius gang. So we're currently in Oakland, right outside the Planet Fitness. Like I said, I fell asleep. And that was pretty early actually. That was like at, I want to say 6 p.m. It was already dark outside, but I wasn't getting any orders on Walmart. It was like 7:30 now that I remember. So about 7:30, and I guess they give out the last orders around 8. That's when like the schedule ends for deliveries here. Actually pretty good because it's kind of dark outside around that time, but yeah, it was here at 7:30, no orders, so I decided to rest my eyes a little bit, and then I opened them again. It was 2:38. Well, it's actually 2:38 now. It's probably like 2:30. So I decided to get out and put my window covers, and I had to go take a quick leak. Now we're back in here. I'm probably gonna take a quick smoke just so I could go back to bed, and I haven't even stepped foot in my bed actually. Fancy shower speaker, because I'm that crazy guy who listens to music in the shower while everybody's just being normal. My pillow, extra blankie, extra pillow, my trusty blankie. Oh, that thing keeps me hot as hell. My towel that I leave it to dry up. It's dry, and we're set. I'm gonna go pass out. I was tired as hell from I had to wake up at 5 yesterday so I could I could say goodbye to my parents because they were gonna go back to LA, and they wanted to go that early, so you know I had to do what I had to do, and I was just tired yesterday. You could probably tell because of my I was kind of in the mood and I wasn't doing a lot of filming. I apologize for that, but it will continue tomorrow. Hopefully I wake up good, which I should because I've gotten a lot of rest. So come tomorrow, first things, I'm probably gonna shower. Well, I did shower today, so I don't know. I might not even shower tomorrow. I might just change and turn on the app and see if we can get some deliveries done today or tomorrow. Well, technically today, it's already tomorrow. It's already Monday. So that's that. It's been your boy coming at you from DH396, aka Don't Ask Homie, aka Tripping Nomad. All right, logging out. Peace.